Hello T-Pros and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is your boy Alvendril. In this video we are going to upgrade the RAM I have on my Dell machine. So you have seen the thumbnail and that's the one we're going to use. This Dell Optiplex 5080 Micro. I have done a video in the past on which I upgrade the BIOS version for this same endpoint. So if you're interested in that, you can click on the top right of this screen for that video. So I'm also in front of my machine. As you can see over here, I use this Dell Optiplex as my lab. So you can see the VMware XE. You can see that it's the same model I just showed you a few seconds ago, the Dell Optiplex 5080. The CPU, you can see the BIOS version on the right, which is from 2022. I'm recording this in 2025, so I need to upgrade it to the latest version. So you may have Windows 11, Windows 10, or Linux, whatever it is, the process is going to be the same. So I'm just showing you what I have. As you can see, 32 gigabytes of RAM. I'm going to upgrade it to 64. That's the maximum we can go on the micro models. So now I just wanted to show you how it looks. You might have Windows, Linux, the process is going to be the same. So now I'm going to shut it down because we don't need it on. Allow me a few seconds to adjust my camera. And now this is the device I showed you a few seconds ago, right? It's turned off at the moment. And now we're going to disconnect all the cables. Before moving forward, I'm showing you that I'm not wearing any jewelry or watches, and I'm going to discharge myself of any static electricity that I might have in my body by touching the metallic case for a few seconds. That way I don't damage the circuitry. So these are the new RAM modules. As you can see, it's Crucial, DDR4, 3200 frequency, SODIMM. If you're interested, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So as you can imagine, I need two, and the reason we cannot go beyond 64 gigabytes is because it simply doesn't exist. There are, as of today, there are no 64 RAM SODIMM modules. And even if there were, this machine, this model, and many others don't support that. Next, I'm going to press the power button for around 10 seconds to get rid of the power stored in the capacitors. And while I'm doing that, this is a good time for you to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. That really helps my channel a lot, so thank you very much. Now, in the back, this model has a screw, and many others. They have a screw. If it's very tight, you can use a screwdriver. And now I'm going to push it forward so you can open it like that. So, very simple. Now, I'm going to show you around. This is my SSD is 1 terabyte, if I remember correctly. So this is the fan for the processor, this is the CMOS battery, and now we have to remove this cover. It's very simple. There are two arrows over here that tells us, hey, you have to press here. So now we have done that, we can see the RAM modules over here. So they have two holders on each side, so we have to press them apart, as you can see. And this is also Crucial, great brand. And this is 16 gigabytes DDR4 2666 SODIMM. So the frequency here is lower than the new ones because I didn't find an exact match. So for this one, we're going to do the same to remove the RAM at the bottom. So we have to press them apart with your thumbs. And now we're going to install the new ones. So you can see 32 gigabytes DDR4, and I'm going to start with the one at the bottom. So very gently, you push it and you press it down like that. You can see the holders. I believe in the video you cannot hear it, but when you're doing it, you can hear the click. Now that we have done that, we have to put back the cover. Make sure you don't disconnect it from the power because it's the fan for the processor. Now we're going to put back the cover, and as always, I'm doing something wrong over here. So I have to do it a little better, and it fits now. I'm going to secure the screw one more time, like that. Now let me put these two things away. Let's connect the network, let's connect the power. And if this is Windows, you can connect your mouse, your keyboard. So because of the light, I believe you cannot see the power button turning on, but it's turned on at the moment. So I turn off the light so you can see better. The process took around 2 minutes to boot up. So now allow me a few seconds to adjust my camera and we can go back to the monitor. Now, as you can see, we're back where we started. Optiplex 5080, you can see the CPU, and now you notice that the memory is 64 gigabytes, which means we have installed the RAM correctly. And now it's upgraded and I can have more VMs running without worrying about that. So that's how you replace the RAM and upgrade it. So maybe you want to watch one of these videos now. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or questions, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, as you know, I'll see you in the next video.